Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram in 2024. There are new updates on the platform and there are more things that you should consider before publishing any type of content. We're talking about pictures, videos or reels. Let's jump to the Instagram platform and let's dive in. First thing I want to highlight over here is that now the new feed over here, when you click on the little house on the top left corner, essentially showing you not only content that is random, but they're also mixing the random content with the content of people that you're following. So this is a major update, because previously if you want to watch the content that is only random, you're simply going to click on the feed and you will find For You page essentially, which is usually people we don't follow, right? What is currently trending. So I think this is something good. A lot of people not liking it simply because they don't want to watch stuff that they didn't subscribe to or follow to. But I find it very interesting because now you will be able to see not only what kind of products are selling, like this over here, like medallion or whatever, but you will be able to see what is popping up, what kind of emojis people are using, what type of carousel. If you look, majority of the posts are only carousel, right? So this is a very good pro tip, because now you understand that the single image, if it's not a sponsored like this one over here, most likely will not work, or a video. Speaking about the videos, there is a major discrepancies between looking at Instagram videos and watching videos on Instagram Reels. As usual, Instagram Reels are pushed better, and I've seen people comparing, putting the same exact video as a regular post in carousel, right, alongside a couple of pictures, or somebody is publishing a video on the Reels. So the performance is like huge difference. The video on the Reels will get like 10-15,000 views in the first like 48 hours, versus the video with the 2-3 pictures in the regular carousel will get like 3-4,000 views all together with the pictures. So I think you guys understand that the main push up over here is direct competition on Instagram Reels with the actual TikTok. We're not even going into the fight with YouTube Shorts, because with the recent updates on YouTube, I think YouTube is taking a different edge, making the app quite different than the both Reels and TikTok. Also, if you look, the photos and the videos are much less saturated, meaning that these people have little to none editing on top of the content. This is what has been trend since Christmas, and a lot of people actually prefer to watch content that is less edited. This is something that a lot of people want to see, feels natural, feels that people really wanna watch and wanna be there. And when you see a picture like this, it almost feels that you're there, right? There is no editing. You feel that you're part of the team, you're part of the friends, right? You're hanging around. People love that. So stay away from over editing, over saturation, over contrast on particular images. Also stay away from a lot of text. Right, if you look at over here, some people still love to put a lot of text, a lot of description, explanatory. But majority of the people are staying away from the hashtags. Obviously, they learned this. No hashtags over here. There are some hashtags over here. Look at this. This is a paid commercial, right? No hashtags over here. You come over here. There are some hashtags, because obviously this is the surfing stuff. But you see no hashtags over here. So I want you to understand the new main changes, so you will be able to take the most advantage of it. Okay, I don't want you to keep using old strategies which simply stopping your growth. Now 2024, things are different. You need to adapt the content. Like I said, if you take amazing crispy pictures or videos, just publish them the way they are. You can edit the length, you can edit the particular moments, but don't change the contrast. Don't make it over polished. Don't make it perfect. People don't like perfect stuff, because perfect stuff tend to feel artificial, because in the nature there is no anything that is perfect, right? Everything has its flaws. I know how the trees are not perfectly even. I know the colors of the flowers are not even, so on and so forth. So you want to get as closest to the nature as possible to be able to produce the best content and to increase the engagement. Stay away from hashtags, stay away from the long description, and if you have videos to publish them as reels, don't publish them as carousel alongside pictures. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.